Wouldn't it be cool if AI did your marketing for you? Well, now it can. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down how AI is changing marketing and SEO. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Look, technology has made marketing easy. Today, I want to share some of those tools that can make your life easier and also talk about the future of AI in marketing. So let's go over some of the tools first. Tool number one, Morpheo.ai. It's a monitor and analysis tool that uses AI. It'll tell you when something is wrong with your paid ad budgets. This is super important because, look, as an SMB or even an enterprise company, you all have budgets. You don't want something to go over. Now, of course, if it's making you an arm and a leg and it's highly profitable, of course you want to scale it up. But in case something goes wrong and you lose money, you want to make sure you stick within those budgets. Or if a page breaks on your site and you have a 404 error page, you want to be notified right away, especially if that page is getting a lot of traffic or you're driving paid ad traffic for or it's ranking organically. You don't want to lose that organic ranking or waste all that money that you were spending on paid ads and just ruin your quality score. It can even auto-exclude ineffective ad placements. So let's say you're spending all this money on advertising and you're having people help you out. If you're testing out 1,000 different places or 100, I know I'm going to the extreme. If ones that aren't working out, you don't want to keep spending money. Even if your whole campaign is profitable, but there's certain parts of the campaign that aren't profitable, but the ones that are profitable are picking them up. You want to stop the underperforming ones so you can spend more money on the placements that are performing so that way you make even more profit. So check out that tool. Tool number two, Market Brew. It's an automated SEO AI tool. And here's what I mean by this. It's a search engine that can calibrate itself to be like any search engine that you want it to be. So for example, let's say you want it to be like Google. When you make changes to your site, it can take months before Google sees the impact and months before you even get the ranking position that you want. So you can make adjustments through this tool, run it through Market Brew, see what it would be, and that way you don't have to wait months to figure out if your change was a good change or a bad change. And that way, you know if the SEO experiments you're running are going to be positive versus negative, because not all experiments work out. So it's definitely worth checking out because it'll help you avoid some of the mistakes. Now, granted, it's not going to be identical to Google's algorithm because they make roughly 8+ changes a day, but it'll give you a good idea of what's going to work and what's not going to work. Tool number three, Jarvis.ai. Content creation tools, especially ones that are using AI, are not perfect, but they do save you a lot of time. What if tools helped you with your titles, your outlines, and even paragraphs, and you just had to go in and put some keywords? It'll help set out all this content for you, and then you just have to go in and make it better. That's what Jarvis.ai does. It'll give you a head start, and it can save you sometimes half the time when it comes to creating content, which is huge, especially if you hate writing content. I personally love writing content, and I don't know why I still do this, but I write it all manually. I don't use the tools. But for me, funny enough, it's like a Zen moment. Another Zen moment for me is like ironing. When I iron clothes, it's really peaceful and I love it. Another Zen moment for me is writing content. It really puts me at peace. Tool number four, ClearScope. This tool helps you get more traffic from your writing. In essence, ClearScope helps you produce content that's highly relevant to what people are searching for. It helps you determine what topics you should focus on, as well as the writing aspect of your content creation, such as headings, keywords that you should use within your content to also get the most traffic. Because remember, if you use tools like Ubersuggest to do your keyword research, which you should, it's not just about those head terms. That's why in Ubersuggest we have those keyword ideas reports, because there's all these other long tail keywords that you need to use as well. Now that we've covered some tools that you should try, here's where marketing and AI is going in the future. With SEO, people like me at Ubersuggest, we have teams of people working on AI and machine learning where you can put a JavaScript on your website and it just does all your SEO for you. so you don't have to end up changing any aspect of your on-page code, and the tool will do it for you. We're even trying to use machine learning and AI, and we're running experiments on our end to figure out if we can even naturally build links and do the outreach for you, all automated as if it was humans, and actually get you links without having a human do it. And with marketing, you're going to see AI integrated into all forms of marketing, not just, hey, SEO, but also things like digital billboards. You can end up telling a platform that you have a budget of X dollars, and eventually it'll test placing you everywhere that it'll know that you'll get an ROI from. And that's where you're going to see the future of marketing. Now, it doesn't mean that all the AI is going to replace humans, because humans can do a lot of creative thinking, and it's yet to be seen if AI can do the same type of creative skills, especially when it comes to marketing campaigns. But it can make it where it's more efficient and you don't need as many people to get the same job done. Now, if you need help with your marketing, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. If you need help with your SEO, you can also check out my tool, Ubersuggest. If you have any comments or questions, just leave a comment below. I'm here to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and share it as well.